Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Cloudflare Images in your dashboard and creating an API token with images, Edit. This gives you the account ID and permission to manage assets. Next, upload a test image using the dashboard for convenience, or post to the images/v1 endpoint if you prefer automation. Once uploaded, record the image ID and variant defaults. They let you reference and transform images later. Make sure to set reasonable names and tags so you can find assets quickly, because organization saves time during scaling. Now configure image variants. Decide widths, quality percentages, formats like web and fit behavior. These presets let you serve multiple sizes without reprocessing. Then implement delivery. Reference images with the image delivery path that includes the image ID and variant name, or generate SRC set for responsive layouts. Once done, adjust caching TTL and enable edge caching so Cloudflare serves bytes quickly. This reduces origin load. Also, consider automatic format negotiation so browsers get the best file type without extra logic. Finish by integrating the image URLs into your site templates or CMS. If security matters, use signed URLs or short-lived tokens to limit access. Monitor dashboard metrics for storage and egress so you avoid unexpected costs, and audit API logs for errors. If something fails, first verify the API token and account permissions, then confirm the image ID exists and clear the cache. Often a stale edge cache or wrong variant name is the culprit. Finally, automate uploads and monitoring to prevent repeat issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.